Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look for this hair that I already posted on my channel. I already moisturized my face using my Nivea cream, so I'm gonna go straight in with primer, and the one I'm using today is this one from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use my brow gel by ABH to comb and set my brows. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lasting Drama Dip Brows to fill in my brows. And now I'm going to comb through them to soften them up and make them look a little bit more natural. To clean them up, I'm going to be using this dual brush from Huda Beauty, and believe me, I use this brush for almost everything. So this is the reason why it looks like that, but this is what I'm going to use to clean them up. This is a concealer that I'm going to be using. It's by Cosmetic, and I'm also going to be using this foundation, which is a shade lighter than my skin tone for the top. I flip the brush and use the other side to smudge out the rest of the concealer. Now I'm going to go on top using the foundation that I showed you guys earlier. Then I use the other side of the brush to blend it all out. So instead of concealer, I decided to try out this eye primer from Blinc Cosmetic and see how I like it. It turns out it wasn't giving what I was expecting, so I went back over it with my concealer, my regular concealer, which is from Tarte Cosmetic. Now I'm going to set the concealer on my eyelid using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Today I'm going to be using this palette by Juvia's Place, and this one is called The Warrior. This palette is from Amazon, and I will try and link it down below for you guys so you can find it easily if you're interested. And if I forget to put the link down there, please remind me, because I do sometimes. I am so guilty of that. So I'm using a small blending brush to apply my first color, and I'm applying it all over my lid and blending it out. Now I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade right here, and I'm gonna blend it going into the previous color that I have applied already. And that's it for shadow today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner, and this one is also from Blinc Cosmetic. I will be trying this for the first time today and let you guys know what I think about it. So I like it because the point is really fine, which is nice. It goes on precisely, but the only thing is I feel like it's not wet enough. So I have to keep going over the same spot over and over again to get it to go on, or I gotta flash the pen over and over again. But other than that, I feel like it's okay. I also have this sharpener from Blinc Cosmetic, and I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen one of my favorite eyeliner. It's almost finished, don't judge me. I need to get another one. I found it on Amazon. They say it's waterproof, it's jet black, and I really love it for lining my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, and this one is from She Glam, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. I really like this foundation. I like the way it feels on my skin, and I like the way it blends in with my skin tone. And the price for it is very reasonable. Like, it is so affordable. So getting a foundation like this for that price, I feel like it's definitely worth it. I'm now going in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick to bring back some color into my skin. I'm also going to apply my concealer at the same time, and as for the concealer, I'm going to let it sit on my face for a little while I blend out the contour. Usually I don't apply as much as I am going to be applying today, but I just felt like doing it a little bit different, so I went for it. Using my wet beauty sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the contour. And now we're gonna blend out the concealer. I already blend out what I had on my chin, my cupid bow, and my nose bridge, so I'm just gonna be doing under the eyes. Now I'm going back in with the lighter shade concealer, and this one is also from Tarte. I just like to have a lighter looking under eye, if you know what I mean. So I usually do this, and this is totally optional. You really don't have to do this, but yeah, I like to do this. I blended that out off camera, and now I'm just applying some setting powder on the concealer to set it. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe bronzer and use that on top of where I added the contour earlier, and this is gonna kind of like set it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. And now you can see it's all coming together because the bronzer is blending out any harsh line that I may have created using the concealer under my eyes and other places on my face. And now I'm going to use my MAC finishing powder all over my face, and this is also going to help to blend everything out very well and make it all look so seamless. Now I'm gonna apply some blush, and I'm gonna go in with this one in the middle. And this blush palette is from BH Cosmetic. It's called Blushing in Bali. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the setting spray from Maven Beauty. I'm gonna go in and do my lips. I already added my lashes off camera, so I'm gonna be using this lip pencil from LA Colors. It's like a dark brown, and I'm gonna use it to line my lips. I like my lip liners to be pointy, and that's the reason why you see me here sharpening it. And the sharpener I'm using is from Blinc, like I told you guys earlier. It's so sharp, I really love it. Now I'm gonna go in with this lipstick slash lip gloss. This one is from Paris Hilton, and I'm gonna just, apply it onto my lip. And here is the finished look, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I really think it came out looking so nice. Sometimes I doubt myself when it comes to makeup, but then there are days when I feel like I did a good job, and today is one of those days. I really think I did a good job, but I would love to hear from you guys. I want to know what you think. Let me know what you think about, the makeup look and the products I used today. As for the Blinc products, I will link them down in the description box so you guys could check them out if you're interested. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!